Have you ever paused to consider the hurdles that working mothers face in today's fast-paced, demanding society? The expectations, the stereotypes, the balancing act between career and family. It's a daunting challenge. Now, let's delve into the story of one such mother, a woman who successfully navigated this tricky terrain. Meet Louise, a woman who once worked in the high-pressure world of public relations, a place where her values of kindness, collaboration, and support were seen as weaknesses. Louise felt the disconnect, the strain of working in an environment that didn't align with her personal values. She felt like a puppet, her strings being pulled by someone else's hands. But life has a way of bringing about change, often in unexpected ways. For Louise, this change came with motherhood. The birth of her child became a turning point, a moment that completely transformed her perspective on life and work. The intensity of those initial years of motherhood forced her to cut out all unimportant activities, focusing all her energy on her child. Here she discovered the joy of working in alignment with her values. The act of nurturing another life, it resonated with her, it felt right. A few years later, Louise decided to re-enter the professional world. But she was determined not to return to her old way of life. She wanted to work on something that she truly believed in, something that echoed her love for motherhood. So, she created Beyond the School Run, a website dedicated to connecting mothers and supporting their quest for fulfilling work. A thriving online community today, Beyond the School Run, stands as a testament to Louise's dedication and belief in her values. The essence of this story is this: work isn't merely about earning a paycheck. True success and satisfaction come from aligning your work with your values, and sometimes it takes a life-changing event to help you discover what truly matters to you. In conclusion, here's what we've learned today. 1. Motherhood can be a catalyst that helps you realign your career according to your values. 2. Mothers can indeed make fantastic employees and business leaders, with their nurturing instincts often translating into effective leadership skills. 3. It's entirely possible to achieve career success without compromising on your parenting responsibilities. Remember, every journey begins with a single step. So start by discovering what truly matters to you, and let that guide you on your path to success.